Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's Daily English Pulse lesson. Today, we're going on a trip and learning the most useful English phrases for travel. Let's follow Emily, a traveler flying to New York City. Listen carefully and repeat the key expressions. It's early morning, and Emily arrives at the airport with her suitcase and passport. At the check-in counter, the staff greets her. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket? Emily replies, Here you go. Do you have any bags to check in? Yes, just one, she answers. With her boarding pass in hand, Emily heads to security. A staff member says, Please take off your shoes and place your items in the tray. Emily follows the instructions and soon passes through. At the gate, an announcement comes over the loudspeaker. Flight 206 to New York is now boarding. Emily thinks, That's my flight. She lines up and shows her boarding pass. On board, she finds her seat and stores her bag in the overhead compartment. After landing, Emily heads to the taxi stand. She tells the driver, I need to go to Midtown Manhattan, please. How long will it take? She asks. About 30 minutes, depending on traffic, says the driver. At her hotel, the receptionist says, Welcome. Do you have a reservation? Yes, under Emily Clark. Great. Here's your room key. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Later, Emily goes out to explore. She stops at a cafe and says, Can I see the menu, please? The server replies, Of course. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll have an iced coffee. When she's done, she asks, Can I get the bill, please? Emily also visits a souvenir shop. She asks the clerk, How much is this t-shirt? It's $15. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. I'll take it, says Emily with a smile. As the day ends, Emily feels proud. She used many travel phrases and had real conversations in English. This is great practice, she thinks. Key vocabulary. Boarding pass, a ticket that lets you get on the plane. Reservation, a booking, often for a hotel or restaurant. Overhead compartment, storage space above airplane seats. Bill, the check or total cost at a restaurant. Souvenir, a small gift or memory from a trip. Practice phrases. Do you have a reservation? Can I get the bill, please? How much is this? I'll take it. I need to go to please. Try practicing these phrases aloud. They'll help you feel confident on your next trip. Homework. Write a short conversation between a traveler and a hotel receptionist or a taxi driver. Post it in the comments. We'd love to see how you use these phrases.
Thank you for watching.